Hi, this is Marcy Locke, and we're here because you get to look in my fridge. We're teaching you how to do this as a lifestyle so that everything is quick, fast, efficient. You're setting up your environment to be successful, giving yourself that support because you are going to become a product of your environment. So, how I make this really simple and easy for me is that obviously when you buy all your food, we're going to prepare ourselves by cutting up everything, getting it in bags, preparing so that it's already done. It's not something that you have to come home and cut up the chicken and cook it and cut up the veggies, or otherwise eating healthy does take a long time. We're making it super fast and efficient. So when I prepare myself, I've got a whole drawer of just fruit. We use a ton of fruit, especially between my little boys. I always grab apples on my way out the door because I have also a box of healthy meal bars in my car as well to support me if I need that source. But I would much rather you always use whole foods when available. So I'm going to show you my kind of specialty drawer of things ready for me to grab on the go. But I've always got my fruits right here. Then I've always got everything else cut up and ready to go. That if I come home and I have the time, I'll grab some spinach. I grab, if I want it to be mushrooms on a salad or whatever it is. I've got broccoli, cut up onions, peppers, etc. I can throw it all together. Then I find my source of protein, which I always have a big container of eggs all ready to go. I always have my little container with my chicken that's thawed or my deli turkey ready to go that I can grab. So I can basically just heat that up, or even my big container of, I've got butternut squash and spaghetti squash, which is so freaking awesome. Once you try it, you will love it. So I can throw that on a plate, heat it up, and I'm good. If I want to prepare myself even more, my little boy says, let's go on a picnic, or I'm running out the door and going to be gone for most of the day and I want more of a meal, then I already have, or even when I come home and I just get to be fast, I've already got these put together, these salads, and that I can either throw chicken on it and salsa, or I can, which I use salsa for almost everything, on top of veggies, on my salads, etc. But I can decide if I want eggs on it and just add that to it and I'm good to go. The other way that I love to be prepared for snacks is because I don't always want to cut up the cucumber to have like some chips and salsa type of thing, is I already have a container of cucumbers cut up. So if I just walk in the door and I'm like, what sounds good? I throw my chicken in a bowl with some salsa, mix it up, and there's my chicken salsa, so I've got my protein source. And then instead of chips, my chips are my cucumbers. And so then I'm just having my cucumbers, my chips, or my cucumbers, chicken, and salsa. And it's a perfect little meal for me and a quick little snack, and I freaking love it. Along with that, I always have some of these bigger peppers cut up and ready to utilize and go like this, that I can eat those with the chicken and salsa. This is so yummy. I want some as soon as we're done. I'm gonna. I also always have some wraps ready to go because I can make these with my little boys. We love these. I'll show you for instance. Now this is my drawer of things ready that I just grab that I can have more meals. Because yes, I always have that backup of protein or meal bars in my car, but the amount of calories and fat and bars are going to be a lot higher, so I get a lot less food for that amount. And our goal here is always to be low calorie, not counting my calories and worried about it because I'm always eating healthy foods, but low calorie, high nutrition, which means I'm eating so much healthy food that I can eat a ton and I'm always way low in calories and for feeding my body maintenance. So, for instance, I have these little bags ready to go with just carrots, peppers, and some deli turkey. Little tiny bit of food, little snack, perfect for in between a meeting or in the car. I'll grab my little boy and we'll go, let's go get my other son from school, and I'm kind of hungry. I'll grab an apple and something like this and just have that snack on the way. We also have these wraps all ready to go. These ones have mustard with some deli turkey, some carrots and peppers. We take these to the movies even. Yum, yum. Yum, yum. I'm getting hungry. I am hungry. I'm hungry like every hour. Also, see, I've got my cucumbers and my peppers ready here because guess what? If I grab my little tiny cooler to go, then I've already got some chicken and salsa put together. So I just grab a little plastic fork. I've got it all right there in my pantry. Throw it in my little cooler, and I am good to go for more of like a yummy snack meal. But we go on a picnic or go do something like that. I've also got these little bags of shake mix ready to go to throw into a shaker if I need a meal replacement to get my protein source and then can eat an apple or something with it. That fruit in my car. Also, I love these. See, look, I already ate some while we were waiting. these little mini peppers. And then I just took my shredded chicken and I got a light ranch that was more healthy, natural ingredients, didn't have any high fructose corn syrup or anything in it, and just to give it a little something stirred up and pack these. These are so yummy. Parties, etc. Really, I'll take cucumbers. I always take a plate of cucumbers to a party and sprinkle the white cheddar seasoning on it, and people love it. Prepare yourself. If you get home and instead of you're starving and going to, okay, you're eating your meal as you're preparing your meal, you put in 2 meals, grab little things like this where you can have some salsa and cucumbers and it's not going to hurt you because it's extra vegetables, it's extra of those things to fill up on. So that's kind of my quick drawer to be super effective as I'm grabbing things, running out the door. Literally, to grab my little tiny cooler or grab these and run out the door, an extra 10 seconds when I'm prepared and I'm ready to go. So you can see up here I've also got already a couple extra salads ready to go. I've got my egg whites in the back. I usually always have like a healthy almond milk to throw in for cooking or a fat-free organic milk to use for my yummy Pero drinks. It's in my second cookbook. It's so good. What else? I'm trying to always water bottles. I always grab a couple water bottles to be able to get plenty of liquid. Next, I'm going to show you my freezer because my freezer is a big assistance tool also because obviously I'll buy a bunch of chicken, throw a bunch, let it defrost, cut off the fat, throw it in the crock pot, and then the fat just kind of rises to the surface. Anything extra, skim it off, take it out. That's so easy. Let it cook overnight, and then I just bag it all up into my tons of little bags of chicken. So you saw my little container in there. When I start to run low on chicken, I just grab a bag or 2, throw it in there. My little boys will have, their little chicken chunks, or I can throw it into stuff. I've also always got my little bags of deli turkey. So I go to the deli counter and I say, can I have 10 pounds in half-pound bags? And they're like, huh? I'm like, yeah, that's how I roll. 10 pounds in half-pound bags. And I just get these bags with just a certain amount, so it's perfect to just throw in my fridge versus you buy a chunk and then you don't use it fast enough, etc. So this saves me being prepared. I also have, this is a healthy sloppy joe mix that I made for my little boy because he loves them. So we make the lean ground turkey. I added some tofu into it so it makes it go leaner and even spreads it out. And then just adding healthy seasonings into it to make it taste like sloppy joes, and it's awesome. I also have some protein French toast ready for my little boys that sometimes they like to utilize before school in the morning. So if I'm set up this way, I also have, oh my gosh, yeah, I gotta tell you this, I've got tons of bananas ready to go for my, if we have chocolate banana ice cream, our homemade chocolate banana ice cream, or throwing these and the berries and things into our Yo Nana mixture thing that makes ice cream like it, where it's really just pure fruit. So if you're set up this way, you're set up for success. It becomes so simple. It's just taking yourself as a priority of time, believing that you're worth it, because there can always be, whatever you're looking for is what you're going to find. If you're going to say, oh, eating healthy takes too much time, it's this, it's that, yeah, it will be, and you won't get to create having the lifestyle that you want, but it really is just a matter of you being worth it and you being important enough to take the time to buy your foods and take that extra time, even if it's saying, hey, everybody do a certain project, you cut up veggies, you do this, cook it all up, get it done, and you are good to go. And this is how I roll. This is Marcy Locke reminding you, power choice is yours, so choose your best life.